Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Dynamics 365 security roles for sales reps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Microsoft Dynamics 365 website. Log in to your Dynamics 365 account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the navigation pane on the left side of the screen. Click on the Settings option in the navigation pane. In the Settings menu, select Security. From the security options, click on Security Roles. To find the security roles for sales representatives, use the search bar at the top. Type Sales Representative in the search bar and press Enter. Once the search results appear, click on the specific security role you wish to download. In the Security Role Details page, look for the Export option, usually found in the command bar. Click on Export, and choose the format you prefer, such as PDF or Excel. Confirm your selection to initiate the download. Your browser will prompt you to save the file or open it directly. Select your preferred option and click Save or Open. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file to verify its contents. Now you have successfully downloaded the Dynamics 365 security roles for sales representatives. Make sure to review the roles to ensure they meet your organization's requirements. If you need to make adjustments, return to the Security Role Details page to make any necessary changes. This process allows you to effectively manage security roles for your sales team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.